Today we will study digestive system of Columbalivia, and as we study in every type study that every digestive system is composed of two portions, that is alimentary canal and digestive gland. So today in this video we will study about alimentary canal. Alimentary canal consists of mouth, buccopharyngeal cavity, which will lead into esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, which will lead into large intestine, then cloaca, and at last cloacal aperture. So we'll talk about these structures one by one. So first of all, we start with the mouth. Now, mouth is a wide gape which is present at the margin of the beak, upper beak as well as lower beak. So it is bounded by upper and lower beak. दोनों बीक्स के बीच में जो वाइड गेप होगा बाउंड्री पर, दैट इज टर्म्ड एज माउथ. नाउ द माउथ विल लीड इनटू बक्कोफेरेंजियल कैविटी. Buccopharyngeal cavity, to understand this we must see this diagram. This is the diagram of buccopharyngeal cavity of the pigeon. Now you can see buccopharyngeal cavity comprises of two portions, buccal cavity which is an anterior portion and pharynx which is posterior portion. Now this is the roof of the buccopharyngeal cavity and this is floor of the buccopharyngeal cavity. You can see this is upper beak and this is lower beak, and this is the angles of the mouth. This beak is wide open. Now this roof that is having palatal fold which will arise from either side of the beak, इस तरफ से और इस तरफ से palatal fold जो है arise होगी, but that will not join in the middle, बीच में वो join नहीं करेगी, and so a palatal cleft will be left in between, बीच में palatal cleft रह जाएगी, और ये जो palate है side में that will be termed as hard palate. So now we'll talk about buccal cavity. It is having three structures. तीन main structure होते हैं buccal cavity में, जो कि anterior portion है. You can see ये जो portion है that is pharynx. अब थोड़ी सी roof है pharynx में, थोड़ा सा floor है, और ये बीच में which will show the opening of the esophagus. तो ऊपर की तरफ ये जो portion है that is the portion of the buccal cavity, and this lower portion at the floor that is also the portion of buccal cavity. So three structures are, first are the internal layers which are present in the roof of the buccal cavity as the posterior portion, and they will help in respiration. Then second structure is this tongue. Tongue is a fleshy organ which is not having any kind of muscle. tongue के अंदर कोई भी muscle नहीं होती है, intrinsic muscle. So जो tongue है वो अपने आप से move नहीं कर सकती, जैसे कि आपकी tongue move कर सकती है. You can roll, you can fold your tongue, but this pigeon cannot do that. जो टंग की मूवमेंट है दैट विल बी सोनली बिकॉज ऑफ द हायोइड अपरेटस, जो कि इस टंग के बेस में प्रेजेंट होता है. वो हायोइड अपरेटस जो है वो इसको मूव करेगा फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड, एंड मतलब कि माउथ से बाहर और अंदर की तरफ. हायोइड अपरेटस की मूवमेंट से ही टंग जो है वो मूव करेगी, एंड दैट इज हैविंग टेस्ट बर्ड. पूरी टंग के ऊपर हर जगह टेस्ट बर्ड प्रेजेंट होते हैं, एंड इट हेल्प्स इन स्वॉलोइंग. स्वॉलो में हेल्प करती है ये. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज थर्ड स्ट्रक्चर इन द बकल कैविटी इज salivary glands which are present. Two pair of salivary glands are there. One is present just below the tongue, tongue के बिल्कुल नीचे present होगी, and that is जो tongue के नीचे present होती है that are termed as sublingual glands. One pair of sublingual glands are present, and that at the angles of mouth angle glands are present, one pair. They will secrete saliva which will not be having any kind of enzyme. तो वो सिर्फ फूड को मॉइस्ट करने का काम करता है, लेकिन कोई भी डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स उसके अंदर प्रेजेंट नहीं होते. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर जो है दैट इज ईसोफेगस. सो वी कैन सी हेयर. सो this is esophagus. This anterior structure that is a narrow tube like structure which will run through the neck just dorsal to the trachea. जो wind pipe है उसके dorsal side पर esophagus present होती है. It is thin walled. जब तक neck में run करती है thin walled होती है. जैसे ही thorax में enter करेगी it will be converted into a sac like structure which is termed as ingluvius or crop. या तो crop बोलेंगे या फिर ingluvius बोलेंगे. That is a sac like structure. Typically it is a storage sac you can say, because it stores 500 grains. एक टाइम पर 500 अनाज के दाने जो है ये स्टोर कर सकती है. जो पिसीवोरस बर्ड्स होते हैं, मतलब फिश ईटिंग बर्ड्स जो होंगे, उसके अंदर जो क्रॉप है वो ज़्यादा बड़ा होता है क्योंकि उनको फिश स्टोर करनी होती है इसके अंदर. सो दैट इज़ मच लार्जर स्ट्रक्चर in piscivorous birds. Also this crop that is having crop glands. You can see अगर हम इसकी internal structure को कट करके देखेंगे, if we will cut it through longitudinal section, ऊपर की तरफ से हम इसे कट करेंगे तो in the internal wall there are two patch like structures present which are termed as crop glands. इसकी ये इसका inner surface है crop का, और ये crop glands हैं, ये जो patch like structures हैं दो. these are crop glands and these are responsible to secrete crop milk. Crop milk जो है that is a highly nutritive structure, nutritive milk which is responsible for growth of the hatchlings, and this crop milk is secreted by both the parents. दोनों parents जो हैं मेल एंड फीमेल दोनों इसको secrete करते हैं through the crop gland. And so this is crop glands. तो pigeon milk जो है secrete होगा यहाँ से, and that is highly nutritive. इसकी जो composition होती है crop milk की, that is this.